My free tax software review usage experience. MyFreeTax, a free online tax filing service provided by United Way, has been assisting individuals and families in preparing and filing their tax at no cost since 2009, and the platform is designed to help US tax filers with an annual income of less than $84,000 file both federal and state tax for free. And here are the key features about this platform. Users can file federal and state returns without incurring any fee, potentially saving an average of $200 in tax preparation costs. And also, the platform guides users through the filing process, ensuring they receive all eligible tax credits and deduction, such as earned income tax credits, which is ITC, and the child tax credit. And also, MyFreeTax offer assistance through IRS trained fund support and detailed tax guided, catering to various tax situations, including those of small businesses owner and gigs economy worker. And also, the platform employs robust security measures to protect users' information and stays current with the latest tax law changes to ensure accurate returns. And here the conclusion about this platform. My free tax servers serve as a valuable resource for eligible taxpayers seeking a cost-effective and straightforward method for filing their tax. Its comprehensive support and ensure platforms and secure platform make it a commendable option for those with uncompleted or complicated tax situation.